LunarLink AI has just dropped on the market, and today we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this cutting-edge AI software that's making waves right now. Whether you're new to AI or an experienced marketer, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how LunarLink can elevate your digital strategy. First off, let's talk about what makes LunarLink AI so special. Unlike a lot of AI tools that focus solely on one area, LunarLink brings a unique blend of automation, data analytics, and machine learning into one seamless platform. It's designed to help businesses automate their workflows while gaining deep insights that can drive smarter decisions. This all-in-one solution is like having an entire digital team working 24/7. Now, one of the standout features of LunarLink AI is its intuitive user interface. For anyone worried about complicated setups or steep learning curves, this is one of those tools you can pick up and start using almost immediately. The dashboard is clean, organized, and perfect for both beginners and seasoned marketers. And if you're a small business owner or solo entrepreneur, it's one of those rare AI tools that doesn't require you to be an expert to get great results. LunarLink AI is built with advanced predictive analytics, which allows it to not only process current data, but also forecast future trends. This can be a game changer for anyone looking to stay ahead of the competition. Whether you're analyzing customer behavior or optimizing your sales funnel, LunarLink gives you insights that can help you adapt and thrive in a fast-paced digital world. Another big plus is its automation capabilities. This software doesn't just automate simple tasks like emails or scheduling, it goes deeper. With LunarLink AI, you can set up multi-step workflows that can respond to complex customer journeys, integrate with other tools like your CRM, and even trigger actions based on user behavior. The best part? It doesn't require technical expertise. Even if you're a solo entrepreneur or small business owner, you can set these up without needing to hire a full-time developer. If you're running marketing campaigns, LunarLink AI's ability to optimize them in real time is a huge win. It continuously monitors your ads and adjusts them for maximum performance based on the data it collects. This makes it incredibly effective at boosting ROI and reducing wasted ad spend, something that every marketer can appreciate. With features like A/B testing, audience segmentation, and automated bid adjustments, this is definitely one of the more powerful tools in the AI marketing space. LunarLink AI also stands out for its focus on customer retention. Through its smart data-driven insights, it identifies patterns and helps you engage your customers at the right moments. Whether it's sending personalized messages or providing recommendations, it automates processes that build trust and loyalty over time. Lastly, LunarLink is cloud-based, which means you can access it from anywhere at any time. There's no need for heavy installations or worrying about compatibility. Plus, its scalability ensures that it works just as well for a small startup as it does for a large enterprise. Whether you're looking to streamline your operations or get ahead of the competition, this software adapts to your needs. Now, I know you're probably eager to try LunarLink AI for yourself, and here's the best part. You can test it for completely free from the first link in the description below. I've personally tried thousands of AI tools, and I can confidently say that LunarLink is one of the most promising. I've also listed my top recommended AI software in the description that you can check out and try for free. Some of them might just take your business to the next level. LunarLink AI is definitely one to watch in the AI space. It's packed with features that help businesses not only streamline their processes, but also make smarter, data-driven decisions. If you're serious about leveling up your digital strategy, this is one tool you can't afford to overlook.